I usually say, hey, this is Brother Barnes. Welcome to the Squid dissection. But not today, mates. I'm going to say, hey, this is PirateBarnes. Welcome to the Kraken dissection. List the numbers below the video, mates. 1, 2, and 3. Tell me what you think. What is this little part? Actually, it's not little, it's kind of large. At the top, what about this surrounding portion of the Kraken and then this black section lower down? 1 through 3. Tell me what you think in the comments, mate. Also, there will be a link below the video with the answers, the pirate answers as I view them.